Hey everybody, it's Deb. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to attempt to show you an explosion box that I recently finished. It is made with the Prima Princess paper pad. This collection is an older collection that I've been hoarding for some reason, and I decided to take it out and finally use it. The explosion box measures 6 inches by 6 inches, and as far as height, it's actually more like 6 3/4 inches with the dimensional flowers. So on the cover, I have, try to move this closer, I stickled the angel here with some gold stickles, make her sparkle. There is a beaded trim around the top of the box, and this is a embellishment I had in my stash. Probably got that from AliExpress, and these are wild orchid roses. This is an embellishment I got from Michael's years ago. I haven't glued that down yet because I want whoever ends up with this to have a choice depending on what they are going to use it for. I have Romance, Forever, and You and Me, and these will all fit right there. So once the person tells me what they want, I will stick it down. I'll just do, this is very heavy. That's the back of it. Just in case I have to ship it, I want you to know that it's kind of hefty. Okay, so I'll probably have to move this or keep moving it so I can show you what it looks like. These two sides are going to be the same, and these two sides are the same. This here opens. And it's big enough that you can put a couple of photographs there. In fact, I'll just go all the way around as each of them does open. You flip it up. There is a little tag in here. This here is a pocket. This is a belly band that, again, there's a couple of picture mats here. You can also, if you have any sentimental things that you would like to stick in there, it will hold. I'm going to try to turn this around so you can see this better. This frame, I have a little pull out here that shows you, it's a little template for you to use to cut your photo and fit in there. And also it lets you know what side of the frame to go in on. This is magnetized. And then there's another mat here. And a very large pocket so you can put other things in there if you'd like. I'm not sure which way is the best way to show this, but we'll do it this way. I already opened this up for you, so this here, again, a little pocket with a mat. This is a waterfall. Sorry for having to keep turning this around. Again, you have the belly band with the mats, and this is similar to the other one where you have the frame magnetized, opens up, and the picture mat pocket. So again, these two sides are similar. They have the waterfall. These two sides have the pockets with the beaded trim. In the middle is a box. It has a little angel or fairy. I think it's an angel. And decorated all around with beaded trim and some wild orchid crafts. This little satin flower that I made. And you can keep jewelry trinkets in the box. Or, ladies and gentlemen, if you plan on popping the question this Valentine's Day, a nice ring box will fit very nicely in there. That is the explosion box. Like I say, this will be for sale. If you're interested, please send me an email. I believe I'm going to be asking $50 for it, plus shipping. And of course, when you're on camera, it's very difficult to get things to work. Again, this will be personalized to whatever you would like it to say. I hope you like it. Please leave me any comments below. And I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you so much. You have a good day. Bye.